Stop buying the wrong premium noise-canceling headphones of 2026 if you're a beginner. If you've been overwhelmed by the sheer number of options, the jargon, and trying to figure out which pair will actually simplify your life, you are in the right place. I've tested them all, worn them for hundreds of hours, and filtered out the noise, literally, to bring you the top 5 premium noise cancelers that are genuinely best for beginners this year. And stick around, because our number 1 pick is going to surprise you with just how easy it is to achieve pure sonic bliss. We've got some incredible headphones to talk about today, but let me quickly tease our number 1 pick right now. It is the absolute king of beginner-friendly immersion, comfort, and world-class quiet, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra. We'll get to why it earned that top spot, but first, let's count down from number 5. Coming in at number 5, we have the Bowers Wilkins Px8. These are not just headphones, they are a statement. The best features here are undoubtedly the luxurious design and build quality, with genuine Napa leather and cast aluminum, making them feel incredibly premium. They also deliver a refined, detailed, and truly audiophile-grade sound that will make your music sing. These are for the beginner who values craftsmanship and exquisite sound above all else, perhaps someone who appreciates luxury in other areas of their life and wants their audio gear to match. However, one honest flaw is that while their noise cancellation is good, it's not class-leading for the price, and for a beginner whose priority is pure silence, it might leave them wanting a little more. But what if you're deep in the Apple ecosystem and want something that just works seamlessly with all your devices? That brings us to number 4, the Apple AirPods Max. The best features here are absolutely the unrivaled Apple ecosystem integration, the fantastic spatial audio experience, and an industry-leading transparency mode that makes it feel like you're not even wearing headphones. They also boast excellent noise cancellation. These are perfect for the beginner who lives in the Apple universe, owns an iPhone, iPad, and Mac, and wants the most effortless, magical audio experience across all of them. The one honest flaw, though, is their weight. They are noticeably heavy, which can become uncomfortable for some users during very long listening sessions, and that unique smart case is still very divisive. If you're looking for incredible endurance and a more traditional, rich sound profile, then our next pick might be perfect for you. At number 3, we have the Sennheiser Momentum 4. The standout features here are the truly incredible battery life, boasting up to 60 hours on a single charge, which is phenomenal for travel or just for getting to charge for days. They also deliver a warm, engaging, and rich sound signature that's just a joy for music lovers. These are for the beginner who prioritizes epic battery life, enjoys a fantastic music listening experience, and wants a comfortable headphone for long hauls. The honest flaw with the Momentum 4 is that while the adaptive noise cancellation is good, it doesn't quite reach the top-tier levels of some of its competitors, and the touch controls can occasionally be a little finicky for a complete novice. Now, this next headphone is an absolute powerhouse, almost took the top spot, and offers arguably the best overall package for a very wide range of users, including beginners. Coming in at number 2, it's the Sony WH-1000XM5. The best features of the XM5 are their phenomenal, truly industry-leading noise cancellation that just melts away the world around you, their incredibly lightweight and comfortable design for all-day wear, and great sound quality that's highly customizable. These are ideal for the beginner who wants best-in-class active noise cancellation for commuting, travel, or an open office environment, combined with great sound and comfort. Their one honest flaw, which might not be a deal-breaker for everyone, is that they no longer fold down into a super compact size like their predecessors, making them slightly less portable for those with minimal bag space. We've seen some incredible contenders, but for the absolute beginner, for someone who just wants to put them on and be instantly immersed in quiet with minimal fuss, there's one clear winner. And our number 1 pick for the best premium noise-canceling headphones for beginners in 2026 is the Bose QuietComfort Ultra. The best features, hands down, are their legendary, absolutely best-in-class noise cancellation that simply silences the world like no other, supreme comfort that you can wear for hours without fatigue, and super intuitive physical controls that make them a breeze to operate without fumbling. They also introduce a fantastic immersive audio mode that really enhances the listening experience. These are for the ultimate beginner who wants the very best noise cancellation with zero hassle, unparalleled comfort, and a straightforward, reliable user experience right out of the box. The honest flaw here is that while the sound quality is excellent, the battery life, at around 24 hours, is good but not as jaw-droppingly long as the Sennheiser Momentum 4. But for pure quiet and ease of use, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra is king. So there you have it, the best premium noise-canceling headphones of 2026, specifically tailored for beginners. If any of these caught your eye, make sure to check the pinned comment and description for the best prices right now. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.